My name's Will. I want to show you how you can use URLs as assets using downloadable digital assets. So what you need to do is go to your Shopify dashboard, then go down to the apps page, click on the app, then go to the assets page. You want to click upload new assets. So the whole point of you doing this is because you've got your files hosted somewhere else. So instead of having to upload your files to our server, using this upload your files button, so you can actually add a link as an asset and then attach that asset to products. So if you click on add a link, write the name of the file. For now I'm going to say it's course. Let's say it's 2 megabytes. Then now you want to put in the URL of the file. So I'll go to my file transfer site. I'll go to upload file. And then for example, I'm going to host the PDF course on here. I'll upload, press get link. But this works essentially if you're hosting the files anywhere else. It can be Dropbox, Google Drive, or anywhere. So what you need to do is get the link of your asset, copy that, go back to the app, and then paste it in here. And click next. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Press done. And now if you go to the assets page, you'll now see the asset saved. You'll see download link next to it. So if there was a file uploaded, it would show file next to it. So I'll click on it. You can see course, the URL for people to download. You can attach this to products. So I've got a product called course. I'll click attach. That's it all done. So what I've done is I've just placed an order for that product that has the download link asset attached to it. So then if I go to that page now, you'll see the download link appearing here. And you'll see you've got the name of the download link. You've got the size that we entered. Then if I click this, it brings you to the download link that we pasted into the download link asset before. So WeTransfer actually give you a short URL that redirects to a longer URL. I think it's just the way they work, but it's the same thing basically. So that's how you add download links as assets from places such as Dropbox, WeTransfer, Google Drive, or wherever you're hosting it on your own cloud service.